it's important to live a wellness lifestyle using oils, supplements, personal care items, green cleaning, a lot of do-it-yourself stuff, which you don't have. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here, and today I'm going to talk about doTERRA's enrollment kits, and this is part one. It's specifically talking about today the Family Essentials, as well as the Family Essentials kit. That's right. Alright, so I'm going to picture it right here. You can see it. It's the Family Essentials kit. Boom! Okay? And so the Family Essentials kit is basically the entry-level kit for doTERRA, and it really is just allowing you to have natural solutions within arm's reach, right? So you can, when things pop up, you can just grab the oils and go, and they're the introductory size, or the 5 ml, and so that is a really good place to start. That's the most popular kit, most affordable kit as well. It's what I started with, back in November of 2013, and it's amazing, and they've redesigned the packages so it looks beautiful absolutely as well. So it's just an amazing all-around great place to start. And so some of the benefits of that kit, because there's the top 10 oils for the home, and I'll have more information and a link actually in the description so you can actually watch a more detailed version of this video, but it helps you with energy, helps you support your digestion, your sleep, your stress, your muscles, your joints, can also help you balance hormones, and there's so many benefits that comes with this kit, and I recommend it most to my clients because it's really like the toe dipping kit. It's like I don't want to jump all up in the water of essential oils and doTERRA, but I do want to get in there and just dip the toes, so to speak, right? And just kind of get started with something that allows me to waive the $35 membership, but get started with enough oils that makes me feel more empowered. And I think that's really the key, and that's something that I'm passionate about helping my clients out with. And so I will have more information also on my website below if you're just like, hey, what's the exact cost and all that. And because this is more educational, YouTube for me is really just a way to educate you on the benefits and some of the uses. I will have other videos as well, which you can check out on my channel, which will have a detailed breakdown of each oil and things like that. But this video is definitely just kind of like an overview so that you're kind of like in learn mode, and then you can be like, okay, this is the kit, here's the benefits, now what are the oils in there, what's the benefits with the uses. And I also offer a wellness consult for new customers that become either wholesale customers or wellness advocates, so you can learn exactly how to maximize your membership and use your oils, because the last thing I want is for your oils that you just purchased to collect dust, become paperweights, or sit in the box that they came in. Like, I hate seeing that because this stuff is like liquid gold, and I just love when people use their oils and make a wellness lifestyle, but I also know that not everyone is interested or values that at the same time. And so I do, like, I try to live out what I teach, which is really important, right? So that's important for me. Probably, if you're a parent or you have, other people in your life, the value of establishing credibility because you practice what you preach, or you live what you teach, or however you want to say it. So for me, it's important to live a wellness lifestyle using oils, supplements, personal care items, green cleaning, a lot of do-it-yourself stuff, which you don't have to do all that, right? You can just do what you want to do, right? It's like yoga, it's flexible. Ooh, yeah. But other than that, hey, thanks for watching today's video. Make sure to hit the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, make sure to check out the links in the description below so you can either get your learn on, because you're like, okay, he mentioned the Family Essentials kit, let me learn a little bit more about that, or if you're just like, hey, I want to know more about the oils in the kit, and then go from there and then kind of work things out. Alright, well, other than that, hey, we'll see you in the next video.